I was born in Pointe-Noire, the port city of Congo-Brazzaville, and I work in Brazzaville. The commute between the two cities, adorned with breathtaking scenery and warm-hearted people, form a distinctive landscape that is synonymous with the No.1 National Highway of the Republic of Congo. In 2022, I became the head of communications for LCR, working on the No.1 National Highway concession in Congo-Brazzaville and witnessing the changes on the road. The No.1 National Highway connects the capital, Brazzaville, to Pointe-Noire and crosses a wide variety of terrain along the way, including virgin forests, coastal plains, river valleys, and plateaus. When I was a kid, it took a week to travel from Brazzaville to Pointe-Noire. Since the road opening in 2016, the 536-kilometer journey now takes only 7 hours via a direct route. It took 3 years to open up the Mayom forest and 8 years of construction to summarize a variety of construction techniques and management experiences suitable for the complex geographical and geological conditions of the African region. The opening of the No.1 Highway connects the major cities along the route, enabling the easy movement of people and goods. Working through the city, vehicles come and go, residents and businessmen bustle about, and there is energy and hope everywhere. There is a friendship tree jointly planted by China, France, and Congo at Lifula Toll Station. At the same time, CSCEC, Aegis, and the Congolese government jointly set up the road concessionaire LCR here. CSCEC handles road maintenance and overhaul. Aegis, a French company, is responsible for road operation, and the Congolese government manages administrative coordination and armed security. The collaboration of these three parties has revealed the road's exceptional beauty.
J'améliore continuellement mes compétences en communication et en résolution des problèmes dans mon travail, et je deviendrai une personne talentueuse dans les opérations routières.
We as a team systematically plan and execute maintenance construction. During this process, I gain experience in construction and management.
Their busy figures form a beautiful landscape on the No.1 Highway. Smooth and comfortable roads are the link to happiness, facilitating journeys between cities to benefit the people all the way from now on. With the completion of the No.1 Highway, transport time and cost have been drastically reduced, and daily traffic has increased by over 10 times on average, enabling a convenient transportation of crops, minerals, forest resources, and commodities to the port of Pointe-Noire and consumer areas, thus providing strong support for economic development. Improved road conditions have had a positive impact on education along the road. We have frequently visited primary schools and orphanages along the road, engaging in public welfare activities to extend love and support to the children. Witnessing their radiant smiles, I'm confident that the No.1 Highway will lead them toward a promising future. As a saying goes, if you build roads, you create wealth. Can such a logical concept be realized in the modern Africa? The No.1 Highway, constructed by CSCEC, serves as a vital east-west traffic artery in Congo-Brazzaville, connecting 65% of the country's population along its route. Along this corridor, bustling markets spontaneously emerge. In the future, Further road developments will create a comprehensive transportation network in conjunction with the No.1 Highway. Life in this region is steadily improving, and this mutually beneficial road to happiness is propelling Congo towards a brighter future.